The question says factorize this expression. Okay, so we have three given set of expression. So how do we factorize the solution? So for a, bx squared plus 6y minus 3ax minus 2byx. Okay, so how do we go about this? So when we look at this, we can look for the ones we can group that has common factor. So we have abs squared. Okay, we have ax, so minus 3ax. We lift it along with the sign. Okay, so here we have this as minus 2byx. Okay, so we have plus 6y. So when we group it like this, so we can now factorize. Okay, we can look for the common terms and factorize. So for abs squared minus 3ax, so in the brackets here we have a as a common factor. Okay, we have x as a common factor. You can bring it out. Okay, so what do we have left? We have here this as b. We have x. Okay, minus here we have this as 3. Okay, so when we look at this, we have this as minus. So we have 2b yx 6y. So the highest common factor, we have this, we can factor out with 2. Okay, when we look at the number, so here we have y, so we have our y. Okay, so here we have brackets opened, so we have here as bx, which is the leftover. Okay, so for minus times minus, we have plus. Okay, for 2y and 6y, we have this as 3. Okay, so for ax minus 2y, we can bring it together like this. Okay, in a separate bracket. So this and this will be equal to bx minus 3. Okay, so when we factorize this, we have this. So let's look at the second expression. We have this as 4abx, okay, minus 2a xy minus 12b squared x, okay, plus 6b xy. So we look at this carefully. Okay, so we can look at this. We have ax, okay, we have b squared x, so we can group it direct from here. Okay, and look for what we can use to factor the. So we look at 4 and 2, so we can factor out with 2. Okay, sorry, we have 2, we have a, okay, we have x, so we have it like this. Okay, into, so here we have this as 2b. Okay, for 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so we have b minus, so when we look at this, we have this as y. Okay, since we have 2ax. Okay, minus, so when we look at this, we have 12b, we have 12, we have 6, so we can use 6, which is the highest common factor, to factor out this. So we have 6, we have b, okay, we have x, okay, into, so in this case we have, when we look at this side, we have 6bx, so here we have this as 2. Okay, for 6bx times 2, we have it to be 12b squared x plus, so when we look at this and we look at this, we have this as 2b. Okay, so for minus times minus, we have it to be plus. Okay, so here we have this as, when we divide this, okay, we have here this as y. Okay, since we have the same bracket, okay, so here we have this as 2ax, okay, minus 6bx. Okay, we have this as 2b minus y. Okay, so when we look at this, we can factorize this further. Okay, this bracket, so we have 2 to be the common factor. We have x, so we say 2x. Okay, here we have a minus, we have this as 3b Okay, so for 2x times 3b is 6bx. So we have this as 2b minus y. Okay, as our final answer. We have this as s squared plus 2a plus ax plus 2x. Okay, so when we look at this, we have s squared, we have 2a. So let's look for what is common. So let's pick s squared, okay, plus ax, okay, plus 2x plus 2a plus 2x plus 2a. So when we look at this, we can group this, okay. So when we group this, we look for the common factor. So x is common, so we factor out this bracket with x. So we have x into x plus a, okay. Here we have this as, we have 2x, we have 2a. So we can factor this as 2 into x, okay, plus a, okay. So since we have the same bracket, so we can have our answer as x plus 2, okay. Here we have this as x plus a. Thank you very much.